Yes, what's up, guys? My name is Joe Fox Atizi, and today I have a new tutorial. I'm going to show you how Billie Eilish, Beat of Feathers, was made in a photo studio. So I just try to figure some sounds, some major sounds, and I just to create it, you know? Yeah. So the exciting news is that I just start making uh, drum sounds. I can say that. Yeah. So here I'm going to show you how I make this beat, or I remake this beat. It's the audio make. So I remake. I just really sample it. Yeah. So thank you for being connected with me. If you're new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So here we go. Yeah. So the first things I just play, it is main melody. I can say that. I played main melody from morphine, then come to percussion, then fair FG, and I just arrange my melody as you see here. So here I just start with D, A, then D, then C. So this is arrangement I arrange in this melody. So here how it sound. Yeah, simple like this one. I just arrange my melody. So after that I just add this parametric equalizer just to remove some highs. Yeah. After that I just play another space blast from Citrus. Space blast, yeah, it sound like this one. Yes. Yeah, simple like that one. This is how I make the sound, and in this one I just reduce some volume. So space blast. After that I come to this one, since and as you see here I just play simple like this one. Bass, this is bass. So since bass, yeah, I played simple and sound like this one. I just follow a chord progression from blast. I played blast, and for this I just add Fruity band compressor and come to this preset bass boost, and reduce the volume as you see here. So after that I play this one. Dubstep is FPC. I just play a dubstep preset in my drum. So it's just simple and sound simple. This I just forgot to do something with this. So yeah, I need to somehow do so. Here how it sound. Yeah. After that I jump to this one, slap bass from Flexi, a deep pop slap from Flex bass. So I just arrange as you see here. So and I just randomize the volume as you see in order to make it sound good. So here Yeah, simple like this one. I just play this bass. So after that, I just add in such bass. I just play this one note, two note. Yeah, and on this bass, I just add a parametric equalizer. Yeah, cut some highs as you see. So after that, jump to this. This is still guitar from Citrus, and I just strum it as you see here. Just strum it as I create like a minor strength of yeah. I just act like you play it live. Yeah, it give sounds and apart from when you play is keyboard, you can get the sound like yeah chord, but I just like guitar when you play strings. I just uh, it give a space from notes to notes, so some little bit space. That is what I hear. So I just play as I hear. So here how I make it. Yes. Yeah, so always when you strum guitar, your melody, it sounds good. Yeah, and on this I just add reverb here and delay. As you see here, delay just take to time to 4.0, then weight to 7% and level to 7%. So as you see here. Okay, let's jump to another one. This is one pad from Purity. So I just remove high and I just a little bit of low mid, in this pad. So I don't want to give sound. So here how it sounds. Yeah, so simple like this one. So after that, I jump to strings. I just play as I play in Purity. This is strings from this one, Simpsons, and I just put the preset as I put in. I just want to low mid to this. So sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. So after that I jump to another grand. This is grand piano. Is stroke from stock sound. On this also I just add this one low. Yeah, because of what I hear. So low, but when you come here in highs, I just try to need of highs a little bit, as you see here. So it's different from the other one I played in strings and the one pad. Yeah. So after that, play and likely sound good like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. This is how I just created this melody. Apart from that, I just add this is, I can say, black. Yeah, black or field drum fill. So sound like this one. Yeah. After that, I just copy and paste this one, steel guitar, this melody. And for this I just add delay and reverb on it. Yeah, so guys, that is my thing. I just play here to this beat. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to show you, listen a little bit. I just arrange somehow. So thank you for watching. My name is Joe Fox at Easy. We'll meet in another tutorial. Thanks.